in this case. Take a look. I just spatchcocked my chicken, cut the back out. Listen, I'm no professional. That's why you're watching along. In case you had, the curiosity to want to do it, you can do it now. So I had regular scissors. I'm gonna tell you, I had to clamp down on it. You feel me? I cut the back out. Finish cutting the rest of the back out here. To do the spatchcock so that the breast can cook a little bit more slower and be able to cook the chicken thighs and wings and stuff at a nicer temperature. Okay. Not gonna throw away the back or anything. In case you're cooking a sauce or something, you can use that later on, all right? There it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season it. Excuse me, I got a little bit OCD. I like cleansiness, so I keep washing my hands. But just hang in there. All right, so here we got grilled chicken by Kindler's.